Hey guys, this is Pop Pop and this is...
Mason.
And what are we doing today, Mason? What is this? Huh? What are we building?
A pirate ship.
Tell the camera.
A pirate ship.
We're building a pirate ship today. We picked this up at Lowe's, our friendly hardware store today, and we're going to try to put this together and we'll see what happens, okay? So stay with us, have some fun, and we're going to see if Mason can get this together. What do you think? You think you can do it? All right. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. So what's the first step we got to do? We got to put the windows on the side of the ship, huh? So if we hold this ship just like this, and we take this here, look, and you put one of those nails in that hole, and whack it. Is that how you use it? There you go. All right, what's our next step? See this? That's right. It goes right there. You had it right. You had it right. See, look. See the picture? Huh? See the picture? So it goes like this. What happens is it slides in and out. It can't go no further than that. So then we take this piece right here. And we'll put this on. So we gotta get some more nails. Gonna line it up for you. All right, hammer away. Watch this, see the gangplank? All right, you ready? We got one more. Where's this go? How's this go on there? All right, where's it go? How many nails we need?
2.
Is that upside down? Oh, yep, I think it is. Okay, we'll go like that. See how it's curved? Up. Kind of gives you that little angle. Let me help you with the nails here because the holes are very big on this one. So put that there. Okay, push that in there.
How can I do it?
Push it in there.
You need to get that.
These holes not very good. There we go. Okay, hammer it. That was very good. Very good. Okay, what's next?
Now it can go in the pool.
What's next?
It can go in the pool.
What's next? That's right. We got to put the crow's nest on, right? All right. How many nails it shows? Okay.
What are these?
Those are flags. So we got to do this flag like that. That's a pirate flag, huh? See?
That's a Lowe.
And that's the Lowe's flag. All right?
And that's the...
All right. Okay, so we'll put this in here like that.
And then the...
Arg, matey.
It's going on.
Turn it around so it can catch the wind. It's ready to go. We'll put the sticker right there. All right. All right, guys. This is Pop Pop. This is...
We got one more
They gave us an extra one in case you bit one.
Bye.
Tell us, hey, can we subscribe? Like our page, subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up.
No, upside down.
Upside down smile. All right. So we got it going on. That's a pretty boat, Mason. You did a very good job. All right, this is Pop Pop, and this is, and we are